This is a review of the Ryobi multi-tool that I would definitely recommend. So if you're pretty much doing any home restoration, home projects, home remodeling, or anything like that, then this multi-tool would definitely come in use and definitely come in play and pretty much make your job and your life much more easier. Now, it does come with different sizes of blades, so it's your preference on how much the sharpness level of pretty much anything that you're trying to cut, how much maximum or how much less sharp cutters that you want to use. It comes with that as well too. You can see here that it has a different dial adjustment to how sharp, or pretty much the adjustment level settings it has, and pretty much the battery and the charger, like I have it hooked up right here, that is sold separately. But when you have it on, then when I turn it on, you can see that it has a LED light lamp as well too. So when you're pretty much cutting anything or you're doing your home restoration projects, one thing I like about it is that it has a LED flashlight, so you can see where you're exactly cutting or exactly trimming. Then this thing will definitely come and help you out when you're into those tight spots or those dark areas where you cannot see, and this will then help you out. I would highly recommend the Ryobi multi-tool if you are looking to do any home restoration, home projects, or any remodeling. Then this Ryobi multi-tool would definitely help you out, and I overall would definitely recommend it.